you guys that follow my Instagram know that I just recently installed this Two Brothers M2 carbon fiber exhaust, and I must say it's mighty loud, mighty loud. But yeah, I got it used. I got a really good deal on it. Didn't come with the mounting brackets, so I had to order the brackets. I just ordered them straight from Two Brothers, and so that took a little bit longer, kind of stalled the install. But so yeah, I got that on there. This bike, as far as I know, doesn't have a tune. I don't plan on doing anything like that in the near future. I would entertain the idea of getting a power commander, simply because a quick shifter or an auto blipper would be the ticket. But again, that's nothing that's priority right now. Priority right now is getting my front brakes done up. So I have EBC brake pads and stainless steel brake lines in the works, and etc. So anyways, guys, kick back and enjoy some sound clips right now. You're gonna hear some before sound clips, which is 100%, okay, it's not 100% stock. The catalytic converter was removed on this bike when I got it, and the servo, so the servo flappers, whatever you want to call them, the butterflies that are in the exhaust, they were removed too. So it might be a little bit noisier, a little bit more throaty than stock, but basically stock. And then you guys will hear some of the after clips after the install. So anyways, check back with you guys in a minute. you guys enjoyed that. I know I did. I got to get to the bank and get to Fred Meyer's and get home to meet an electrician at the Oregon Motorcycle headquarters. But man, look at this day. I'm gonna have to go ride after that. Go for a little putt, a little cruise around. You guys know we've been doing a lot of practicing lately and parking lot practicing, which has just been such a great benefit for our everyday street riding. I suggest you guys get some of that in if you can. And right now with the weather changing, it's kind of a good, you know, thing. I mean, you can't haul ass on these roads anymore really right now because most of them are wet, you know, or you're gonna come around a corner and you know, you're gonna come around a corner and you're gonna hit a bunch of wet leaves or whatever. So it's not the safest time of year to be mashing on the twisties. So the parking lot training is a really good idea. And if you guys didn't see the video of my roommate laying his bike down in the parking lot, go ahead and check it out. It's right here up at the top. That was a fun video to make, and that was a fun day. But anyways, guys, I gotta take care of my business right now. So until next time, Oregon Motorcycle.